Most small business don't fail because their product is bad. They fail because people don't even know they exist. In today's world, having a good product is not enough. If people can't find you online, you're already losing opportunities. That's why digital marketing is so important for small businesses. Digital marketing helps small businesses to become visible. Earlier, only one big brand could afford advertising. But now, platforms like Instagram, Google, YouTube, even small businesses can reach thousands of people. It gives you a chance to be seen and discovered. Traditional marketing is expensive and not always effective. But digital marketing allows you to start small. You can create content for free, run ads with a limited budget, and still reach your audience. That's why it's ideal for small business. With digital marketing, you don't just reach more people, you reach right people. You can target based on their location, interest, and behavior. This makes your marketing more focused and effective. People don't buy instantly, they check your content, your profile, your review. Digital marketing helps you build trust and credibility over time. And that's what makes people choose you. One of the biggest advantages is that you can track everything. You can see what's wrong, what's not, and improve your strategy. Digital marketing is no longer optional. If your business is not online, you're missing out on a real opportunities. Yeah, that's all. If you want to learn marketing step by step, please do subscribe my channel. Let's grow together. Bye bye.